Right guys, so for today's video we're gonna have a look at this Ozito brushless impact wrench. It's got a 1/2 inch drive on it, and I've got a 5.2 amp battery on it. But first of all, I was looking for an impact wrench, and I was going to consider Ryobi or Milwaukee and all that, and then I realized the price was too much. And then my mom has given me an Ozito blower, and I've got the battery for it. And I was like, why don't I just buy the same thing so I don't have to buy an extra battery? So I decided to go with Ozito, but then I read the reviews that you couldn't undo the lug nuts. But then Bunnings here in Australia is pretty easy to work with. In case you're not happy with the product, you just return it. And also this has got a 3-year warranty or 5-year warranty. 3-year on the battery, I think, and then 5-year on the tool. So it can't be that bad. So I decided to give it a go, and today we're gonna have a look at whether it can undo lug nuts or not. Well, it can. I'm just showing you that you can. So I'm just using a 19 deep impact socket. It doesn't come off, nothing. So here we go. Pretty easy one. And that is it. And because I've got the 5.2, I've used this a couple of times already. So I've used this for a couple of times already, and the battery's still, you know, that lasts me ages. I've only charged it, I think, 3 times in the last 4 or 5 months. Now we're just gonna put it back on. I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's torqued at 120.
Mila!
So we're just gonna torque it up.
Come on. Let's go, bitch. Mila, come on.
No, come.
Is she gonna feature on your YouTube channel?
Sure. Go this way. Go. 1, 2, 3.